Sinapon Cooks.
Hi everyone. How's it going? These are Sardinella Zunasi or Japanese scaled sardine that Sinapon fished the other day. It's very easy to catch them using a rig called sabiki. They eat plankton along with the water. So just drop the sabiki where they are swimming. No bait needed. Their bodies are so shiny, right? It was a request from Sinapon's friend, so let him cook this time. Sinapon shoots the video. Okay, let's go. First, remove the scales. You don't need a fish scale remover for such small fish. A small knife should do the job. Scrape from the tail towards the head. The white part of the belly has fine scales, so don't forget that. When sardines are landed, most of their scales are removed. Although Sardinella Zunasi belongs to the same Clepidae family as sardines, their scales are firmly attached. After rinsing off the scales, place them on ice like this. Can you see the skin peeling off of their belly? Sardinella Zunasi are very perishable, so they are not sold fresh in stores very often. However, cooked ones are sold as an ingredient in New Year's dishes. We'll marinate the fish after cutting, so he's preparing the marinade sauce now. Place a knife behind the pectoral fin, and insert the knife halfway. Flip the fish and do the same. His hand is blocking the view. This one should get a better view. Again, place the knife behind the pectoral fin, and insert the knife halfway. Flip the fish and do the same. And cut off the belly part diagonally. The belly is just skin and bones so. Then scrape out the remaining innards with the knife. Shall we take another look? Place the knife just above the vertebra. Cut the ribs to separate one side of the body from the vertebra. Slice it all the way to the tail. Slice it again until you hit the dorsal fin. Next, you place the knife just under the vertebra. Cut little by little to the tail. When you reach the tail, cut the vertebra off. He's removing the dorsal fin by cutting its both sides. Done. Wipe off the moisture with a paper towel. Soak it in the marinade. Fish have already turned white in the marinade. Flip them over, cover with plastic wrap and put it in the fridge, this time, for 3 hours. Those small bones dissolve by the vinegar and become nearly unnoticeable. It's also delicious when marinated with onions. Thanks for watching, everyone.